Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the door light switch in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use tape to help protect the interior liner. You can use a putty knife or a flathead screwdriver to pry the old door light switch out. Disconnect the wire connector. Install the new door light switch by first connecting the wire connector. Then snap the switch into place in the liner. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.